Hi, Dima Hasao. This is Jacqueline Fernandez, and I'm thrilled to announce that I will be setting the stage on fire at the Falcon Festival on the 1st of December at the Umrangso Dima Hasao.
Hi guys, we are Dimber, and we would like to let you know that Falcon Festival Battle of the Bands is happening on the 30th of November and the 1st of December at Umrangso Dima Hasao, Assam.
For those of you all who want to compete, you can send in your live jam sessions or you can send in your live videos at the email down below.
So hurry up guys, send in your entries before the 20th of November. Let's go!
Rat.